I'm Anil Kumar, and here is question number 2a from the test paper of 2015 MHF4U Advanced Functions. The chapter name is Polynomial Equations and Inequalities. So 2a is solve the following inequality algebraically. The inequality is 2 times 4x minus 7 is greater than 4 times x plus 9. Well, at this stage you can expand, bring the terms together and then do it. You can also divide by 2 on both sides, right? So we should actually simplify. So let's do divide by 2 both sides, correct? So remember, whatever you do on one side, you have to do on both the sides, only then the inequality is maintained, right? So when you divide by 2, you get 4x minus 7 is greater than 2 times x plus 9, correct? So what we did here is that we divided both by 2. So I'm just writing here by 2 like this. This is what we did, correct? So 2 and 2 cancel. You get 4x minus 7. 4 divided by 2 is 2, x plus 9, okay? Now we can expand the right side. So we have 4x minus 7 is greater than, that is the distributive property, 2x plus 18, right? So at this stage we applied the distributive property. And now we can bring the variables to the left side. That means we can do take away 2x and we will add 7 and plus 7 both sides. So when I take away 2x, let me rewrite. So I got 4x minus 7. I'm taking away 2x and adding 7 on both sides, right? So I have 2x plus 18, taking away 2x and adding 7. This is the operation which I am doing. So when you do that, minus 7 plus 7 is 0. So you are left with 4x minus 2x, which is indeed 2x, greater than. On this side, the variable term gets cancelled off and you got 18 plus 7, right? So 18 plus 7 is 8 plus 7 is 15. 5 and 1 gives you 25. Now you can divide by 2, right? So we'll divide by 2 both sides. So when you divide by 2, you get x greater than 25 divided by 2. So that becomes your answer for this particular case, right? You can always write it in decimals, and then that is to say x is greater than 12.5. So we have solved, and that is our answer. At times, you may be asked to show this inequality solution on a number line, right? So here is a number line. So that is additional. It is not required for solving this test problem, but let us learn something more when we are right here. So we can say that is a solution on a number line. We have an open circle here since it is greater than, and that point is 12.5, and that is the solution, okay? So x is greater than 12.5 could be represented on a number line like this. So that becomes our answer, okay? I hope that helps. So we'll take up the next inequality, which involves fractions. Thank you and all the best.